Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox and review two new products launched by FiiO, and both these products are DAC and headphone amplifier, and one is called FiiO KA11, which is priced at $30 and the other one is called FiiO KA17, which is priced at $150. So must watch this video full because I am going to give you a lot of useful information, and I am going to review them in very simple and easy language without getting too technical. So I won't waste your time anymore, and let us first do the ASMR unboxing of these products, and then I'll come back with my first impressions and review. Enjoy unboxing part. Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you guys liked the unboxing. I did this unboxing a day ago and I wanted to share my first impressions with you guys. But when I used them for an hour, there was so much to tell you that I thought I would wait a whole day and use these products in fully detailed manner and then give you a proper review and analysis of both these products. So I have divided my review into two parts. First part will be practical review and the second part will be performance review. In practical review, I will discuss the usability and necessity of both these products. So first of all, you have to find out which one of these products you need the most. Both of them are similar products. They are DAC and a headphone amplifier. The only difference is power and ease of use. I give my preference to dongles like these because they are easy to use and have enough power to get your work done. And not only that, you can use them while you are lying down, you can use them while you are walking, like they are easy to use and carry, etc. On the other hand, amplifiers like FiiO KA17, they are a bit heavy and big as well, so like it's difficult to handle them properly. Like you can use these as if you are a professional worker while you are sitting at your computer table or on your bed, etc. So like you have to be very active to use these kind of dongles. In addition, these DAC amplifiers are not needed by everyone. So the first thing you need to do is check how much power your earphones or headphones you are using requires. So if you are a normal user and you have very few earphones which are not high-end models, this FiiO KA11 will work good for you. But if you are a high-end user and you are an audiophile or you have a lot of earphones, then you should analyze if you need this type of amplifier or not. I will talk about their performance in a bit, but I have to add some other things in this practical review section as well, which may be important for you to know. As I have already told you about these two products, what's their use and necessity. Now I'm going to tell you my experience with both these type of products. In 2023, I have used 3 dongles like these and all of them got corrupted, and then I ordered KZ's first ever dongle, and I was very excited for this as well, and I thought it would work well, but it was also corrupted in just 2.5 weeks, and I was so disappointed because such dongles are used by most of the people, and also their chances of getting damaged or spoiled are also very high. So this was an important thing for you to know. So now it does not work at all. Unlike these amps, these have a very little chance of malfunctioning, as I have been using this Muse Hi-Fi M32 for 8 months now, and it is working absolutely great and fine. So if I conclude my practical review, I have told you the main difference between these two products. First is about their need to use, second thing is their ease of use, the third thing is their power consumption, the fourth point was about their long-term use and stability. So these things were very important for you guys to know, and I hope I didn't miss anything. So if you have any questions and want to know more about these products, you can ask me in the comments and I will answer you. So now let's move on to our next chapter, which is their performance. So first let's talk about FiiO KA11. As soon as you plug it in your smartphone for the first time and use it, you automatically feels that it's a powerful dongle. There is absolutely no doubt about it, and it will easily power most of your earphones, but may be limited to some. So if you want to know more about FiiO KA11 power output, its specifications, etc., the full detailed link is in the description, must check it out. Another point I would like to share is that yes, it does get hot when you use it, and normally dongles do get hot, but I found it a bit more hot. Although it's winters at the moment, but still it is hot. So how will it perform in summer? That's a question mark. We will get to know when the summer comes. The third point I want to tell you is about its sound quality performance, and that is it amplifies the sound, which is good and normal as it has to, but at the same time the amount of treble is also high in the sound quality. It is increasing the treble and is becoming a very overcooked, crunchy and sharp treble. I mean, it's overpowered. Apart from this, bass and vocals are not changed much and it's not noticeable. So because of its treble performance, you can watch the vocal videos like news, movies or podcasts, etc. But you won't be able to enjoy the music videos as per my opinion, because I didn't. Point to notice, I'm not saying it's bad or trashy. No, it's not that at all, but at the same time it's not enjoyable as well in music. So I think it depends from person to person. As per my using experience and how I am going to use it, I will use it normally for everything except for music. I will replace it with KA17 when listening to music. The fourth point is that this dongle doesn't support inline microphones, and this is a little disappointing because many use microphones and need it. I will give you my verdict about FiiO KA11 at the end in my recommendation chapter, so stay tuned. Now let's talk about FiiO KA17. So like you see, it's a very beautiful cover as well. I really like it and it will easily protect your amplifier. So it's a beautiful solid body and I liked it. Now coming to the FiiO KA17, it is very impressive. You get dual flagship level DAC chips, so it's a very high-end model dongle. I won't go specifically into its specifications and all of the features it has, and I will provide you the link in the description. Go and find out the complete details about FiiO KA17. Here I will explain its real-time performance in simple words. The first point I want to share here is that it's very compact and not weighty like Muse Hi-Fi. This is too weighty, and so like I am going to use FiiO KA17 very well because it's not that much weighty and easy to carry. Now its sound performance. It is so incredible that I don't know where to start from and how to describe it. You get a very completely natural sound quality, like it's the sound tuning of your earphones, and no matter how much the sound is amplified, you won't see sound changed or other differences. It's the same sound but with amplification and at full potential and power. A very balanced sound quality, and there is no treble issue or like overpowering anything. Like it's very natural, and I really enjoyed listening to the music in it. So overall performance, its soundstage is brilliant and it's very detailed, and of course it's very powerful. There is a desktop mode as well, which you can use on your phone. You can see, so like now the desktop mode is on. So like this desktop mode, you can use it on your phone as well, and it gives you more power to your earphones. And in addition to it, you are given an extra USB-C port as well, where you can add another power source, which is very cool, but I may not need it. And when you plug it in your device, its screen will turn on and you will have 15 different functional options to use as per your choice or customization. And the last 2 points I want to mention is that it doesn't get hot, which is a very good thing. Also, it doesn't support inline microphones, which is again a little disappointing, but it's fine for a dongle like this. So friends, now it's my recommendation time for FiiO KA17. I absolutely approved it. It is very good. It's impressive actually, and there was no such negative point here. And as far as the FiiO KA11 is concerned, I may not approve it, although it's fine, but there was not much satisfaction in it. There was nothing too bad about it either, but its performance wasn't that great either. I mean, unbalanced treble in sound quality, also missing inline microphone feature, which is a must have if its price is $30, and its heating performance was also not that good. So it needs a lot of improvement in my opinion. So like I would give 5 stars to FiiO KA17 and 3 stars to FiiO KA11. So here ends my video. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comments and I will answer you for sure. Thank you for staying with me this whole video. Goodbye. Be in peace.